Learning English becomes very easy if you follow LSRW technique with a positive mindset and environment. But generally, it is seen that English learners, don't follow LSRW technique. Instead of that, they focus on cramming difficult grammatical rules and they mug up difficult words and phrases. Today in this video, I would like to talk about a movie that follows perfectly. That movie will inspire you to learn English. That movie will motivate you and give you a kind of booster dose so that you get inspiration and you get something from inside will help you to learn English. Generally, everyone has potential to do anything, but just because of lack of motivation, lack of good environment, positive mindset, we fail to execute what we want exactly. Like I always encourage that everyone should follow, LSRW technique. Here, L stands for listening. It means you should listen something very fast. S stands for speaking. It means you should practice speaking with your partner. R stands for reading. It means you should read something every day. And W stands for writing. It means you should practice grammar as well. This is called a holistic approach through which you can practice English language, or if you want to learn any language in this world. Generally, it is seen that students get bored when they try to read any book or they learn there in the classroom. They understand, when they watch something, they can relate this easily. But there is a bad tradition also that is in trending that English learners, they focus to movie, they don't focus to learning. The movie which I have selected is a Bollywood movie. In that movie, 50% Hindi is there, and 50% English. But that is a spoken English based movie that will inspire you that how to practice speaking English. Because I personally feel that learning anything is not difficult, provided you should have interest in that. It is said that if you have interest in a particular thing, that becomes easy for you to learn. Well, the movie which I talk about will tell the name, but before that I tell you that video follows VAK model. V stands for visualization, A stands for auditory and K stands for kinesthetic. It means जब आप किसी चीज को देखते हैं तो उसकी तस्वीर मन मस्तिष्क में बनती है, that is called visualization. A stands for auditory, means कानों तक आवाज जानी चाहिए. K stands for kinesthetic. It means action is involved there. This is why it is easy for us to understand a movie. But also in this video today, I would like to tell you that about that movie, I will create some interest in you. And then I'll tell you the great lessons that movie give us and how to watch any English movie to learn English. Maybe today I'll not tell because this movie is in Hindi, English both. It's very easy for you to understand. The only thing this movie is going to do is will create interest in you. Well, the movie I'm going to talk about is English Vinglish. It's a Bollywood movie that came in 2012. The lead actor in this movie was Sri Devi, late Sri Devi. She is no more, but she was a great actress. In this movie, it is directed by Gauri Shinde. It is the story of a common Maharashtrian homemaker. I'm talking about the plot of this movie, and why did I select? I'll also tell you in the last little bit more, which I told you in the starting as well. Well, Sri Devi is a common Maharashtrian lady. She goes out of India, and what she notices is it's very common that you might have seen around us. She does everything for her family. The only mistake she does is she does not speak in English. Her husband speaks very good English. Her children speak very good English. They always insult. I would not say that is insult, but yes, somehow they try to put her down that you are, uneducated. You do not speak in English. So her, for example, when she goes for, parents meeting to her daughter's school, there she insults that, mom, you don't know how to speak in English, so it's better do not go there. Her husband always insults that you don't know how to speak in English. One thing, she is good in making laddus. She makes laddus very nicely. And what she notices that when a man cooks, it is an art. The highlight what I'm telling you is when a man cooks, that's called an art, and when a woman cooks, that's called the the duty. Means ये औरतों के लिए ये एक duty है, और अगर मर्द खाना पकाए तो that's an art. That hurts. Second, she makes laddu. For that, she's being trolled, or being done leg pullings by her husband, her children, that mom, you're good for nothing, you're a simple homemaker, you can't do anything in your life, blah blah. Those things hit her into mind. And when she went to a restaurant, there she wanted to order something, but she failed to order in English. Then she took it hard and decided to learn English. There, she enters into a coaching, I mean, a spoken English center. She enrolled herself for 4 weeks, and there she tries to learn English. Acha, what happens normally? I have seen that if you appreciate a student, no matter he or she is weak, but if a teacher appreciates, the student gets interest into a study, he or she starts learning anything quickly. It's all about encouragement. It's all about when you motivate somebody, when you encourage somebody. In her family, she was always insulted, humiliated. But when she joins that coaching, I mean, a spoken English center, there she gets encouraged by, her coaching mates, classmates, her trainer. She feels very good. Generally, I do not watch movie, but today or yesterday I was trying to do research which movie will be better for you. I found this movie is going to help you a lot, because most of the people, face this problem in their family. Nobody respects. There is a very good dialogue that she says. I did not watch the full movie. I watched the trailer and some clips because I don't have time to watch. But I did bit research about this movie. She says कि प्यार नहीं इज्जत चाहिए. प्यार नहीं इज्जत चाहिए. She does not get respect from her family. So when she goes to that coaching, at very first day, she says, I do nothing, I make laddus. Then the trainer says, I mean, I have told you many times who is the trainer, I forget his name. Oh wow, it means you are an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. It means you have done something different and you are trying to make and sell in the market. Then when she hears this word, for her this appreciation, she feels very good and confident. After that day, she begin to feel confident. Then very good relation with her coaching mates. It's a very nice drama. There she speaks in English. She tries to speak in English at home. Her husband, her daughter, her son again demotivated her, but she did not give up, and she kept learning. She kept learning. She kept learning. What thing I did little research about Gauri Shinde. She's a very good, a director, wife of R. Balki. R. Balki has made, I guess, Pa. You might have heard a movie named Pa. He made so many good movies, and Gauri Shinde is wife of R. Balki. She has made some good movies. Dear Zindagi, I guess, she's also directed by Gauri Shinde, and she makes very good, neat and clean movie, which you can watch with the help of sitting with your family members and all. So in this movie, she has given us a very good message that a homemaker, when she's at her home, she does not get respect and all. When she goes out of home, she meets new people. She gets respect. She gets encouragement. She gets motivation from outside, and she tries to do something. And at the end, she learns things and all, and she proves that she can do something. She can do something. She has her own identity and all. So it has been beautifully crafted, and this came in 2012. I couldn't watch it, but yesterday I watched the trailer and I watched some clips. Now the question is, why did I select this movie for you? I selected this movie for you. First, you write down there in the comment, did you watch this movie before telling me or not? If yes, please write down yes. And what did you learn from that movie? If no, please write down why didn't you watch? And are you going to watch this movie or not? You also have to write it down there in the comment section. Now, I selected this movie because most of you come from lower middle class family. There you don't have environment, or when you try to speak English, people demotivate you, they discourage you. So after watching this movie, you will see how a common homemaker, she goes out of her home to learn English. She practices very hard, she puts her effort and tries to learn a new language, and she gets success in this. So you will learn this thing. In the last, I have prepared, 10 points, 10 great lessons that you learn from this movie. I'm going to talk about these 10 points. Those are, great points. They'll teach you great lessons that what you will learn from this movie. Number one, determination is the key to get success. यानी दृढ़ निश्चय ही किसी चीज के प्रति, if you have determination that you have decided that yes, I have to do something, you will do something, because everything starts from here. It means attitude is everything. Attitude, it's all about like half glass empty water or half glass full water. It's all about that, what kind of attitude do you have? Is that positive or negative? So determination is the key to get success. Stay focused on your goal, the goal you have in your mind. It is well said, poor are not those who have no money, poor are those who have no dreams. गरीब वे नहीं जिनके पास पैसे नहीं, गरीब वे हैं जिनके पास सपने नहीं. तो यू शुड स्टे फोकस्ड ऑन योर गोल. जो आपका गोल है, जो सपना है, नो मैटर हाउ मच पीपल मेक फन ऑफ योर ड्रीम्स, योर गोल्स, बट यू हैव टू स्टिक ऑन इट एंड यू हैव टू डू दैट एट एनी कंडीशन. बाय हुक एंड क्रूक. Life begins at the end of comfort zone. We all love to live in comfort zone. Comfort zone means there we don't feel difficulty, you don't feel pain, but it is said no pain no gain. And when you leave comfort zone, only then your life begins, otherwise your life does not begin. Next is don't be afraid to dream a little bigger. ज़्यादा बड़ा सोचने से भी ना डरे. क्या लगता है? See, law of attraction says that when you think something and you have positivity towards that, your attitude is good, then you will try to achieve that. You're getting this, na? And that helps you one day to get what you want exactly. Next is it's never late to start something new. कोई जैसे in this movie there is a homemaker, around she would be 40, and she tries to learn English and she learns it successfully. In the last I saw that in a party where her husband again insisted that she can't speak English, she doesn't know how to, and she said, no, may I mean, can I try to speak? And she delivers a very beautiful speech for family. And one thing I love that generally when movies made, they show that there is a teenage girl, वो किसी के साथ भाग जाती है. Generally directors यही काम करते, but in this movie the director, I appreciate again by again to the lady Gauri Shinde, that she has beautifully crafted. There are some incidents them I don't want to discuss, just come to the fact or the matter that at the end she tries to deliver a very good message. She has mixed some mirch masala just to make it better. वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा, नहीं तो केवल अच्छी चीज आप देंगे, शुद्ध चीज देंगे तो वो जनता देखना पसंद नहीं करती है, वो चलेगा नहीं. तो little she has made it spicy as well, right? तो it's never late to start something new. There is no age and all. हमारे पास भी काफ़ी सीनियर बच्चे आते हैं. 1992 तक के बच्चों को मैंने अभी तक पढ़ाया हुआ है. 80, 60, 40, these are very common age and all. डोंट सेटल इन ए मोनोटोनस लाइफ. यानी जो आपकी जिंदगी एक ही काम कर रहे हैं उसमें सेटल मत होइए, खुश मत होइए. ट्राई समथिंग न्यू, फाइंड सम मी टाइम, अपने लिए भी निकालिए. एंड ट्राई टू ट्रांसफॉर्म योरसेल्फ, ब्रिंग सम इनोवेटिव आइडियाज, डू समथिंग ग्रेट सो दैट यू कैन डू एंड अचीव समथिंग. बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. खुद पर विश्वास करना तो जरूरी है. नोबडी विल बिलीव इन यू बिकॉज nobody knows your actual potential. So you have to believe in yourself that yes, I can do. And there is a affirmation here at My Career Doctor we practice always, that I am the best, I can do. It takes time, but I can do. Problems are there, but I can do. Because I am the best, I can do. We practice this way, right? Never give up. हार तो मानने का नहीं. क्या जाता है? Practice. We should practice always. Technology is upgrading. यानी टेक्नोलॉजी समय के साथ अपग्रेड हो रहा है. And so you should. सो शुड यू. तो आपको भी टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद लेनी चाहिए. इट डजंट मीन हमेशा टेक्नोलॉजी में घुसे रहना चाहिए, बट यू शुड टेक द हेल्प ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, राइट? लविंग योरसेल्फ इज द की टू हैप्पीनेस इन लाइफ. अपने आप से प्रेम करिए. जब आप खुद से, इसमें यह भी बताया कि जब आप खुद से प्रेम करते हैं तो आपको दूसरों से भी प्रेम होता है. आप जब खुद से ही प्रेम नहीं करेंगे आपको किसी से प्रेम नहीं होगा. तो ट्राई टू लव योरसेल्फ एंड लव द मदर नेचर. And I personally feel the person who loves Mother Nature, he or she will never feel frustrated. Technology can make you feel frustrated if you do it excessive, if you use it excessive, but Mother Nature will never make you feel frustrated. So these are the messages that the movie gives us. In the last, I would like to tell you my personal opinion that you should watch this movie. After watching this movie, this will inspire you to learn English. Like in the starting, I said you that learning anything is not a big deal. Why you fail to learn English? Because you don't have a right approach. You don't, have a holistic approach. You don't follow LSRW technique. You don't have positive mindset or positive attitude. So this movie named English Vinglish will create positive attitude towards learning English in you, and that will inspire you to learn English. If you like this video, please do write in the comment section, do you want such videos or not. I'll try to make now contents in English more, some dramas, things and all. And one very important message, that I have created another YouTube channel named My English Doctor. There I'll teach 11th 12th Bihar board syllabus plus CBSE syllabus of English grammar, literature and all. I hope you like this video, and please do write there in the comment section that, and go visit to another channel named My English Doctor. There is one video only right now. Please do subscribe that channel, and inform to 11th and 12th students so that they can learn free of cost English sitting at their home. Thank you very much for watching this. I wish you all the best. Like always, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.